It all started when a chilling 911 call came in about a severely injured child found at a nature preserve, triggering an urgent response to a disturbing scene.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
You know what? We are in a state park. It's called, we're not from here. A little girl stopped us. She said, try to kill her.
Where's she bleeding from?
It looks like her head is her name.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, a policeman just pulled up.
Okay, do they see you?
The sheriff, yes.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect. Okay, they'll take it from here.
Okay, all right.
Go ahead, Flo. Hey, so were y'all here when it happened?
We were we were out on an afternoon drive, and we were coming back, and Dan saw her running with her, and we stopped. And that's how.
Were they out here camping or something?
I don't know. She was just.
I didn't see any campground or camping equipment or anything around there.
Okay. Where were y'all at when you picked her up?
About a mile down this road.
Down Webb Lake Road here?
Yeah.
Was she here or not?
No, she had already gone.
She's already left. That's what she told us, is that she's already taken off.
Okay.
Your aunt wasn't there though, right?
No.
Okay, she thought that your aunt was going to try and take custody of you?
Yes.
Okay. What was she saying during all this?
That they're gonna take me and they're gonna kill me.
Your aunt? Is that who was saying that your aunt's going to take you and kill you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that she wanted to just finish it.
Okay.
It's hard. It hurts to move.
Okay, just don't move for me. They're right there. They're right there. Besides your head and neck, is there anywhere else that hurts?
My hand.
Your hand. Okay, besides your hands, all right? Nothing
No.
else?
Nothing.
Despite her injuries, the victim identifies 35-year-old Gwendolyn as the attacker, telling deputies she was stabbed and left hidden under brush, but officers shift focus to getting her immediate help as paramedics rush in to treat her at the scene.
Sitting there. She did not lose any consciousness or anything.
Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get you on a stretcher, okay?
Hey, LT. I know Battalion wants to land on Tuckers. Can we not land on the grass field here?
What's that?
Can the helicopter not land on the grass field?
Our battalion's gonna grab. I think he's gonna grab the LEC now.
Oh, because they're asking for the road, but I just didn't know if we could land them here because we can just, this is already shut down.
Give me a second.
Yeah. Okay. So I talked to y'all real briefly.
Yes.
Are y'all related to her?
No.
You just happened to see it.
Yeah. No.
Yeah,
she
she flagged us down.
She flagged
She
us
flagged
down.
y'all down. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Once everything kind of gets situated here, would it be possible for y'all to
Take you
bring
back
us
to-
back to
sure.
release where you found her at, and then
Sure.
we can work our way from
Sure.
there?
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you.
I can try to get you pretty close, but
Yeah.
I was more concerned about getting her in.
No, and
Yeah,
I totally understand
Yeah,
that.
and he
I'm totally
just-
glad y'all found her.
He actually
called
just
and
got
everything.
out of the hospital 2 days ago. A week
Oh, no.
ago. So.
It looked like you were doing good though. All things
I hate to
considered.
say it, Florida hasn't been real good to me.
It's really hot down here.
But we're from Arizona, so. But it's
It's
humid.
Yeah, it's humid. I've been out in the desert. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
What spot are you talking about over there?
there's campsites right here. You see these?
2542.
See where the shitters are?
Yeah.
There's big open fields right over there with
25422
Okay.
Calvin Lane, Pearl Street and Raintree Lane. Let's make contact with a white male Dunley.
Josh, try to get as good as pictures as you can right now.
And then you can call the officer from Northport PD for the rest of the
Alright.
Would it be possible to grab some photos of her real quick?
Let's go to the back.
Yeah, just. I'll grab it for you guys. Want me to move my car down there?
Yeah, let's let our rescue get back there and then you can follow.
Oh, I'll move my car down there on the other side, so it just blocks off the road.
She's not sure where it happened. There's no campsite she can describe, no boat ramps or anything like that. She was worried that aunt was going to take custody of her and wanted to finish her off, she said. She pulled her by the hair, knocked her down, and started stabbing her with a knife.
Can you describe what kind of knife?
What's that?
Did she describe what kind
She
of
said it
knife?
was like a pocket knife. That's all I can do.
After paramedics rushed her to the hospital for immediate care, officers began speaking with witnesses to understand what they saw and how the child was found, focusing on gathering key details to locate the suspect as quickly as possible.
Do you guys have identification on you by chance?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Do you know the meaning of perjury?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to explain it to you just to make sure. Perjury can be committed by telling lies or omitting information while under oath. Perjury is a crime in the state of Florida. Do you understand what I have explained to you about perjury? Prior to taking the sworn statement, I will place you under oath. Please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm the statement you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
All right. We are here for a little incident that happened here at the Cecil Webb Wilderness Park, correct? What happened today?
My wife and I just saw it. We decided we wanted to take a drive through it. We went all the way to the end of the road. On the way back out, I noticed this little girl crouched down in the bushes.
Mm-hmm.
As we went by her, she jumped up, started waving her arms. So my wife stopped, backed up, and she came up to the door and said, "You have to help me. You have to help me."
Okay.
I could see she was covered in blood. So I got out, got the door open, moved some stuff, and got her in the back seat. And in the meantime, my wife called 911. We started working our way out.
Okay. How about how far back were you?
Probably about a mile.
Okay. And you were coming back this way, correct?
We were already on our way
What
out.
side of the road was she on?
She would have been on the right side.
Okay, so the right side in this case would be the east side.
Yeah.
So she was crouched back. About how far back from the road was she?
She was only maybe 15 yards off the road.
15 yards off the road? Okay. And you saw her crouching down?
I noticed her just out of the corner of my eye. My peripheral vision's not real good. But I noticed something out of the corner of my eye, and when I turned, I saw her stand up and start waving her arms.
Okay. All right. And what did you see on her? You saw the blood, obviously. Did you see anything else?
No.
Okay, you saw blood. Where was the blood concentrated at on her?
Mostly around her head.
Red head and neck area?
Yeah.
Okay. And did she say her name by chance, or?
We, on the way out, we started asking her questions so that if we needed to, we could, let her, and she gave us her name.
Okay.
She told us what happened. Tried stabbing her, or had stabbed her, and tried to kill her.
Okay, what was her name? Do you remember? Okay.
My memory.
That's fine. That's just the first name is fine. So there was nobody around her. She was just kind of secluded by herself.
Yeah.
Okay. And is there anything else that you think might be beneficial for us for this statement?
Not that I can think of. It's just that she was very emphatic that it was murder.
Okay. Did you get out and help her in? Or did your wife did?
I got out, opened the door. I had to move some stuff in the back seat.
Okay.
And when she started again, I just gave her an elbow to
Did you see any weapons around there or anything? I know it was quick and everything. So okay.
Because by the time we got back to her, she was already out of the bushes and up on the edge of the pavement.
Okay, gotcha. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir. I'll be right back. I'll make this quick so
No worries.
get the bugs out of here. And
No problem.
are you fine? Do you recall about how far back it was?
We had, I don't recall exactly, but I know we had passed the first boat launch.
Gotcha.
We had just barely passed that.
Let me put you on tape before we go any further.
Sure.
And, are you fine driving us back?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Well, I was driving, and my husband yelled at me to stop.
Mm-hmm.
And he said, someone's flagging us down.
So you guys were in here just to drive through, correct?
Yeah,
Nothing going on?
No. We
So
just
you
wanted
just
to come
driving-
and look. And
So you guys came in here, made a right at the entrance, went all the way?
went all the way to the
Okay,
end,
all right.
made the circle around,
Okay.
and we were coming back out.
All right, so you coming back out, and what'd you see?
Yeah. And when I looked in my rearview mirror, I saw a young girl running behind us.
But you also saw that your husband said that's to stop, right? You said,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
So
He said, stop.
all right. And what did he say? Why did he
He
stop?
said, stop. And he said, somebody's back there is looks like they need our help.
Okay, all right. So you stopped the
basically.
truck.
So I stopped, and I looked back there, and I started backing up.
Okay, all right. And you looked in your rearview mirror and
Yeah.
you saw
A young girl.
Okay, young girl.
Yeah, a young girl. She had one shoe in her hand and one swiping.
All right. When I first got on scene, I know it was hectic. There's a lot going on. Is there anything that maybe we discussed or you discussed with my partner that we're forgetting to add to the statement that might be beneficial?
No.
Nothing that you could think of?
No,
Okay.
because I basically just said, you know, we've got this girl in the
And
back
there
here
was there
that-
anybody around when you
no,
were back?
no.
She was by herself?
She was,
No?
as far as I know, she was by herself. I didn't see anyone else. I didn't see any vehicles behind us
Okay,
either.
gotcha. You didn't see any vehicles in the area?
I didn't see vehicles
Okay,
in the air, and
gotcha.
I didn't see a vehicle coming in behind us as we were coming forward.
Okay, gotcha.
either.
Okay. All right, thank you,
It just
ma'am.
was very-
Authorities say the case began when a young girl was found critically injured at a nature preserve after being stabbed and left under brush. Investigators say the victim was able to identify her attacker, leading to a rapid search and arrest. Officers arrested Gwendolyn, 35, and charged her with aggravated battery and aggravated child abuse. The suspect later confessed and provided the location of the weapon used in the attack. She is currently being held on a $750,000 bond pending transfer, while the victim remains in stable condition as the investigation continues. Cases like this leave many questioning how something like this could happen and what justice should look like moving forward. What's your take? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for more updates.